Here's a weird little car that GM, I guess, is involved in. $4,400 electric convertible. The Hongguang Mini, the best-selling electric car in China.
Well, you're teasing us here with this. Oh, we got it.
Will got a commercial.
Right when we scroll.
You guys just scroll further. Don't even worry about it.
Right?
Is that it?
So no, that's it. That's the regular version.
Okay.
That's the best-selling electric car in China.
This is the one?
Yeah, but they're doing a convertible. That's the funny-looking one. If you go down, scroll to the next.
Funny looking.
No, I mean, like, you never saw a convertible that small before, have you?
This thing looks like it's from Thomas the Tank Engine or something.
It doesn't
man.
seem real.
That's insane. I love the way cars are
very
looking
cute.
these days.
It's like, yeah.
The Hongguang
Really nothing to say about it.
It's a cartoon character.
Yeah.
It looks like a bubble tea mascot or something.
It's like a caricature of a cartoon thing.
Mini EV Cabrio convertible set to make its debut at the Auto Shanghai show next week. Go to the next picture down. It's super cartoon.
What am I looking at here? What am I looking at here?
It's some type of render, obviously. Yeah, it's not physically there. They haven't debuted it, so we're looking at...
Okay, that looks
wow,
nice.
look at the interior.
Looks roomy.
Yeah, technical details have not been released, but the hardtop model is 10 feet long, has a range of 106 miles per charge, and can reach a top speed of 62 miles per hour. Yeah, it is. A lot of crazy stuff is happening in automotive, and this is another example of that. As consumer tastes change and you're appealing to a variety of different markets, I mean, it'd be nice to park that thing.
Yeah.
It'd be easy to park it.
Yeah, the lines are getting blurred with all of the electric bikes. I know electric bikes, like off-roading electric bikes, are a big thing. And it's like, where does it start becoming a dirt bike? When does it start becoming a car? Where
Right.
does this start becoming a go-kart?
Particularly when you start talking about efficiency. Once you get everybody all hyped up about efficiency, now people are thinking about scale. Like, what do I really need to take with me on this commute? Do I need to have all this extra cargo space?
No.
Yeah, I just got to take my body there. Willie he was hoping he was going to bike back and forth with the electric bike to here,
yeah,
but he's got Otis, and then so that kind of screwed it up. But he would save some money. He would save some money if he did that.
Yeah.
And the environment, you would save the world too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I will eventually.
How?
I'll put them in a basket.
Wow, I got to see that.
You are
Like a
I
actually
need a
cartoon
render.
character.
I need a render of that.
you are actually going to put Otis in a basket and commute here.
like ET,
Maybe.
man. Just like
Wow.
ET.
Maybe like once a week.
You are going to
know?
become a local meme.
Sure. Basket boy.
Yo, you
all the guys in the Tim Hortons, like, there's Scooter Man tooting down.
you should put a Starlink satellite on there too.
Oh wow!
Right on my head.